Good day, New York. Welcome back to the channel. Today what I'm doing, Love Lane. But again, guys, there is no signs here, and that back there is College Place. So basically, let me see. Again, no pole, no sign, no pole, no sign, no pole, no sign, and no sign. But before we leave, let me show you where I am, guys. Let me show you where I am. So basically, it's in Google, but it's not here. So right now, there's no physical signs, but this is Love Lane, and the one to the right, that's College Place. So we start the journey now. This is Love Lane between Hicks and the other one back there, I forgot what it's called, but this is Love Lane. So basically what I want to do, I'm gonna merge the two together, just like I did with Dottie and Elizabeth. I'm gonna do something here. I'm gonna combine them together. Love Lane and College Place back there. So they can be happy together and not be lonely. Just like Dottie and what's her name? Elizabeth. Again, guys, it's here, but there's no signs here. There are no signs. So check it out, guys. Check it out. And back there, that's College Place, but they don't have the signs in here. Ooh, mushroom rocks, nice. Go figure, go. Again, this is Love Lane. We're gonna tie them together with a College Place back there. Yeah, so they can be together. Again, and guys, there is no signs here at all. The only way you can see the names for this and the other one is through Google, but there's no physical signs up here that have Love Lane or College Place back there, which is really weird. Oh yeah, guys, so between Hicks Street and Henry Street. So Love Lane and College Place are stuck between Hicks Street and Henry Street back there. This is, oh wait a minute guys, oh wait a minute, oh check it out, guys, it continues here. So Love Lane continues here, so let's just go around it, past. This is cool, man. It stretches up here too, see, and this was not part of Google, see. Wow, I'm telling you, man, Google doesn't tell you everything you want to know. It only shows you what you want to see. So basically, this stretch should still be part of the Love Lane. Now we go back. Again, man, Google is not accurate, man. Google is not accurate. So let's make it 2 blocks of Love Lane and one of the College Place back there. Coming up at Love Lane, Henry Street. Heading westbound, and this is a CVS pharmacy, not the channel, a CVS, not CVS. So now we go here, guys. You see, guys, I'm telling you, man, I'm telling you, I just found another stretch of Love Lane, just so you can see, guys, that Google is not always nice. I told you that before, man. These streets are hidden, literally. So now that we capture one more block of Love Lane, now we're gonna go through College Place right here. Now we make a 90-degree right here at College Place, all the way back there. And as you can see back there, there's a dead end. You can see the yellow line, dead end. And this also has no sign, guys, but this is College Place. It's funny because there's no colleges in here, so yeah, go figure. Anyways, just for enjoyment, guys. As you can see how your beautiful neighborhoods look like. I wasn't expecting this. I found an extra block of the Love Lane. I'm like, yo. But yet again, guys, there's no physical signs here. None. And pretty much these two streets, they're almost like hidden, guys. Again, it's in Google, but I didn't know you had a second one back there, which I didn't see. So now we're gonna go around, guys. You can see this is a dead end, no more. This is the end of College Place. Now we head back south. And this is a beautiful garden, guys. This is a beautiful garden. See, we're gonna go through the yellow brick road here. The yellow brick road. Sorry, she went off again. I see. It says dead end, but it's kind of tilted. So now we go here through the sidewalk. I will continue, guys. We continue. We continue. As Mrs. Spock would say, fascinating. And maybe it could be like it's kind of private, I guess, in a way, but you know, not really. So I don't know. It's more like the neutral zone from Star Trek. Nice car. Anyways, we keep moving, guys. Again, so I just combined Love Lane and College Place, but not only that, I gained an extra block, guys, an extra part of stretch of Love Lane back there, of Love Lane. So not only does it stop up there, guys, it doesn't stop up there, but you see where the scaffold is? It keeps going. You know when you see finishing the video. But again, guys, yeah, these streets in particular are hidden between Hick Street and Henry Street, right here in Brooklyn, right by the promenade, or near the promenade. Ooh, ramp. We keep going. See, 60 Love Lane. Wow, check it out, un chinero. In Spanish would be like chinero or chinesa or something like that. But I think it's going down to garbage. So, we're gonna finish, guys, the video where we first started out, back there. And again, guys, in neither end, here or the other end, there are no signs, guys. There are no signs. It's completely hidden. And not only that, but Google didn't mention that Love Lane had an extra little stretch of a block back there, which I caught here in my videos for MEXUSA Walks. Now, okay, guys, thanks for riding with me. Thanks for coming with in this ride, and I will see you all somewhere in time. Bye.